Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have some NASCAR Authentics. We are going to do from the 2019 Wave 12 Chase Elliot Hooters Pink 2019 car. On the back you can get more cars, like I've already showed you William Byron's and Denny Hamlin's and Martin Truex Jr.'s car. And Aaron Jones's too. Let's get Chase Elliot out of the box. So here is the hood. And here is the car. So this car is the number 9 Hooters, and it's pink. Well, it's orange, but since this was used in the Dover race to support for breast cancer awareness, so on the hood you can see the regular Hooters sign, except the E is replaced with the cancer sign to fight breast cancer as well. So on the hood, the same thing as well. The E is removed with the cancer sign to fight it, and usually he has a regular scheme, which is usually orange, but this time it's pink. And on the side here, it has the regular Hooters sign. And on the top right here, it has Hooters right here, but Hooters right here, and this time the the O's are now replaced by the cancer awareness signs. And all in all, they always have the same owl on the hood as well. Napa, Mountain Dew, Valvoline on the back here. And that would be it. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.